I've been chasing shadows in the dark, trying to find the pieces of my heart. Every word I never said still burns. Every road I lost still takes its turn. I built a kingdom out of broken bones, wore my scars like a crown of stone. I trusted silence, I trusted pain, but every storm still screams my name. I don't need a perfect life, I just need a reason to survive. Through the fire, through the rain, I'll become more than my mistake. And if the world keeps falling down, I'll find my voice beneath the sound. When the noise fades away, will you remember my name? All the battles I fought, all the pieces I lost in the flames. I was more than my fear, more than the ghosts I kept near. Even broken and bleeding, I'm still standing. For you. You can bury me under the weight, you can tell me I'm too late, but it's been true to every alone. Now I'm taking back my throne. Every promise turned to dust, every word became my trust. I'm not the person I was before, I kicked down every locked door. No more running, no more waiting. I'm done with the war inside me. Open the past, don't light the way. One night at flying up for what become to die. When the noise fades away, I'll still be here in the rain. Not a ghost, not a memory, not a prisoner of yesterday. I found my heart in the dark.